Imagine if just two companies could completely transform your investment portfolio, taking it to new heights you never thought possible. These aren't just any stocks. They have the potential to set you up for long-term success, financial security, and even generational wealth. In today's fast-paced market, it's not simply about finding companies that are doing well or showing steady growth. It's about identifying the ones that are actively shaping our future, driving innovation, and changing the way we live and work. Today, we're diving deep into two stocks that I believe are absolute must-haves for anyone who's serious about building lasting wealth and staying ahead of the curve. We'll break down their business models, explore their unique competitive advantages, and discuss exactly why they're such compelling buys right now. So grab a coffee, hit that like button, and get ready. Your journey to financial success and smarter investing starts right here, right now. Let's start with a true titan, Nvidia, ticker NVDA. If you've been paying attention to the tech world, you know this company is at the very heart of the artificial intelligence revolution. But what makes Nvidia so special, and why do so many investors and technologists consider it the single most important company in AI today? Let's break it down. Nvidia's rise has been nothing short of meteoric, and yet I believe we're still in the early innings of their growth story. For years, Nvidia was synonymous with gaming GPUs, those powerful graphics cards that make the most visually stunning games possible and have long dominated the market. Gamers everywhere know the Nvidia name, and for good reason. Their hardware set the gold standard for performance and reliability. But here's where the real genius comes in. Nvidia realized early on that their GPUs weren't just for gaming. They were perfect for artificial intelligence. The same parallel processing power that makes games look incredible also happens to be ideal for training machine learning models and powering large language models like ChatGPT. This insight changed everything for Nvidia, opening up a whole new world of opportunity. Nvidia didn't just stumble into AI, they invested early and aggressively, giving them a near monopoly in AI chips. Today they command up to 95% market share in this critical sector. Every major tech company from Microsoft to Google to Amazon is clamoring for Nvidia's H100 and Blackwell chips. These chips are the beating heart of the world's most advanced AI systems, and demand is only accelerating. Demand is so high, Nvidia literally can't make chips fast enough to satisfy it. This isn't just a passing trend, it's a full-blown technological revolution, and Nvidia is selling the picks and shovels. Their data center business has exploded, now eclipsing gaming revenue and growing at triple-digit rates. The scale of this transformation is hard to overstate. Every AI-powered service you use, whether it's a chatbot, a recommendation engine, or a self-driving car, likely runs on Nvidia hardware. Some investors worry about the company's high PE ratio, but with Nvidia's explosive growth, traditional valuation metrics simply don't tell the whole story. The market is pricing in not just current earnings, but the massive future potential that Nvidia represents. When you invest in Nvidia, you're paying for future earning potential in a sector that's set to define the next decade and beyond. The total addressable market is measured in trillions of dollars, spanning AI, autonomous vehicles, drug discovery, robotics, cloud computing, and so much more. Nvidia's reach extends into nearly every corner of the modern tech landscape. And it's not just about hardware. Nvidia's CUDA software platform is a massive competitive moat. Developers around the world build on CUDA, making it extremely difficult to switch to a competitor. This sticky ecosystem locks in customers for the long term, creating a virtuous cycle of innovation and adoption that keeps Nvidia at the center of the action. Yes, competitors like AMD and Google are working hard to catch up, but Nvidia has a multi-year head start, unmatched brand recognition, and the performance crown. For mission-critical AI workloads, companies overwhelmingly choose the proven leader. Nvidia's reputation for reliability and cutting-edge technology is second to none. Owning NVDA isn't just owning a chipmaker, it's a bet on the entire AI revolution. Nvidia's hardware is the backbone of the next generation of technology, powering everything from cloud computing to autonomous vehicles to advanced robotics. Their influence is everywhere. At the helm is CEO Jensen Huang, a visionary founder who's guided Nvidia through every major tech shift. Founder-led companies with a clear, ambitious vision are rare and incredibly valuable. Huang's leadership and relentless drive have been instrumental in shaping Nvidia's culture of innovation and risk-taking. Financials? They're staggering. Nvidia keeps shattering Wall Street's earnings expectations, quarter after quarter. Their free cash flow is enormous, funding relentless research and development and allowing them to stay ahead of the curve. This financial strength gives Nvidia the flexibility to invest in new technologies and weather any storms that come their way. And they're not standing still. Next-generation Blackwell chips are already on the way, promising yet another leap in performance and efficiency. Nvidia's relentless pace of innovation keeps competitors in permanent catch-up mode, and their ability to execute on ambitious product roadmaps is unmatched in the industry. By the time rivals release a competing chip, Nvidia is already shipping something even more powerful. When you add up their dominance in gaming, near monopoly in AI data centers, powerful software moat, visionary leadership, and a massive expanding market, Nvidia's long-term investment case becomes crystal clear. Yes, the stock will be volatile, no growth story is ever a straight line, but with a 5 or 10-year horizon, the growth potential here is unmatched. Nvidia is a foundational investment for any growth-oriented portfolio, and its long-term prospects are as bright as ever. Instead of trying to guess which AI software company will win the race, why not own the company powering them all? Nvidia is the backbone of the entire AI ecosystem, making it a smarter, more diversified way to bet on the sector's explosive growth. For me, Nvidia isn't just a buy, it's a must-own for anyone serious about long-term wealth creation. The company's relentless pace of innovation, its ability to attract top engineering talent, and its culture of pushing boundaries are what truly set it apart from the competition. Their chips are the gold standard for AI, and their ecosystem keeps customers coming back year after year. Nvidia's leadership in both hardware and software is simply unmatched, and their products are trusted by the world's most demanding customers. Their partnerships with major tech firms like Microsoft, Google, and Amazon only strengthen their position. These collaborations ensure Nvidia's technology is deeply embedded in the infrastructure of the digital world. The AI revolution is just beginning, and Nvidia is right at the center of it all. Their financial strength allows them to weather downturns and invest aggressively, even when others pull back. Nvidia's culture of innovation and calculated risk-taking ensures they'll keep leading the pack, no matter what challenges arise. The company's vision extends far beyond gaming and AI. They're actively shaping the future of technology itself. Nvidia's products touch everything from healthcare, where AI is revolutionizing diagnostics, to finance, where their chips power high-frequency trading, to entertainment, where they enable breathtaking visual effects and immersive experiences. Nvidia's growth runway is massive, with new markets and applications opening up every year. From edge computing to the Internet of Things, from digital twins to the metaverse, the company's ability to execute on big, bold ideas is proven and continues to expand. Their track record of delivering value to shareholders is exceptional. Nvidia's stock may fluctuate in the short term, but the long-term trend is unmistakably upward. Patient investors have been handsomely rewarded, and the company's future looks even brighter. The company's dominance in key markets gives it incredible staying power. Their commitment to research and development is second to none, ensuring they remain at the forefront of every major technological shift. Nvidia's leadership team is laser-focused on long-term success. The company's culture attracts top talent from around the world, fostering an environment where innovation thrives and bold ideas become reality. Nvidia's products are now essential to the digital economy. Their influence on the tech industry is only growing, as more and more companies rely on their hardware and software to power the next wave of digital transformation. Nvidia's story is one of constant reinvention and bold bets. From their early days as a gaming company to their current status as the king of AI, they've never been afraid to take risks and push the boundaries of what's possible. The company's future is bright, with opportunities in every direction. For investors, Nvidia offers a rare combination of explosive growth, relentless innovation, and market leadership. It's a stock that belongs in any forward-looking portfolio, especially for those who want exposure to the technologies shaping our future. Nvidia is the undisputed king of AI, and the most exciting part, it's just getting started. The next chapter of Nvidia's story promises to be even more transformative, and I can't wait to see where they go from here. Now let's talk about Alphabet, the parent company of Google, ticker GOOG, or Google. While you may know Google as the search engine you use every day, Alphabet is the powerhouse behind a vast digital empire that quietly shapes the way we live, work, and connect. Alphabet is everywhere: search, video, cloud, AI, and more. Its reach is so deep, we barely notice it. From the moment you wake up and check your phone, to searching for answers, navigating with maps, or watching YouTube, Alphabet's products are woven into the fabric of daily life. Google Search is the core, over 90% global market share. It's not just a product, it's a verb. Billions of queries flow through Google every day, making it the gateway to the world's information and the starting point for countless online journeys. This dominance powers their main cash machine, online advertising. Every click on a sponsored link means money for Google, one of the most profitable business models ever. Advertisers pay top dollar for access to Google's massive audience, fueling Alphabet's financial engine. Then there's YouTube, the world's second largest search engine and the king of online video. YouTube's engagement and ad revenue are massive, and it's still growing. With over 2 billion logged-in users each month, YouTube is not just entertainment, it's a global platform for creators, educators, and businesses. The cash from search and YouTube lets Alphabet invest in the future at a scale few can match. Enter Google Cloud. Once a distant third, it's now profitable and growing fast. Google Cloud is becoming a critical partner for businesses undergoing digital transformation, offering everything from infrastructure to advanced AI tools. As companies move to the cloud, Google's expertise in data, analytics, and AI makes its offering attractive. Even as the #3 player, Google Cloud is poised to capture huge value in a multi-trillion-dollar market. Its open-source leadership and security features are winning over more enterprise customers every year. On AI, Google is a quiet powerhouse. Their brain and deep mind teams pioneered the transformer architecture behind models like ChatGPT. Google's research has set the foundation for the current AI revolution, and its teams continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in machine learning and artificial intelligence. Their flagship AI, Gemini, is being integrated across Search, Workspace, Cloud, and Android, reaching billions. This scale gives Google a unique advantage in deploying and monetizing AI. Gemini's capabilities are enhancing productivity, creativity, and efficiency for users and businesses alike. Beyond the core, Alphabet's other bets include Waymo, self-driving cars, and Verily, life sciences, moonshots with trillion-dollar potential. These projects may seem futuristic, but they're already making real-world progress, with Waymo's autonomous vehicles on public roads and Verily advancing healthcare technology. Unlike Nvidia, Alphabet often trades at a reasonable valuation, sometimes looking like a value stock. You get dominant businesses plus upside from cloud and AI, all at a fair price. For investors, this means exposure to both stability and innovation, without paying a sky-high premium. Google's moat is its data, decades of information that make its products smarter and more effective. No competitor can replicate this overnight. It's a near insurmountable barrier. This data advantage powers everything from better search results to more relevant ads and smarter AI. The ecosystem is sticky. Android, Maps, Gmail, Photos, Drive, all seamlessly integrated. Once you're in, it's hard to leave. Each product reinforces the others, creating a network effect that keeps users engaged and loyal. This keeps users locked in and ensures a captive audience for future products. As Alphabet rolls out new features and services, it can instantly reach billions, accelerating adoption and feedback. Investing in Alphabet means owning the king of digital advertising, the largest video platform, a fast-growing cloud business, and a world-class AI powerhouse. It's a rare combination of scale, innovation, and profitability. Plus, you get free upside from moonshots like self-driving cars and health tech. If even one of these bets pays off, it could transform entire industries and add billions in value. Alphabet's financials are pristine, a fortress balance sheet and over $100 billion in cash. This war chest gives Alphabet the ability to weather downturns, outlast competitors, and seize opportunities as they arise. This gives them flexibility to invest, acquire, and return capital to shareholders through buybacks. Alphabet's disciplined capital allocation means shareholders benefit from both growth and returns. For long-term investors, Alphabet offers stability and growth. The core ad business is a stable foundation, while cloud, AI, and other bets provide huge growth runways. Few companies can match this blend of reliability and upside. It's a way to invest in innovation without the risk of a small, unproven company. Alphabet is growth with a safety net, a rare combination. You get exposure to cutting-edge technology but with the backing of a proven, profitable giant. Their leadership in search and advertising is unchallenged. Competitors have tried, but none have come close to dethroning Google's dominance in these core markets. The company's investments in AI are already paying off. Google's AI is powering smarter products, from better photo recognition to real-time language translation, and it's only getting better. Alphabet's cloud business is gaining momentum. More companies are choosing Google Cloud for its advanced analytics, security, and AI capabilities, driving strong revenue growth. Their moonshot projects could be the next big thing. Waymo's self-driving technology and Verily's health innovations have the potential to disrupt entire industries and create new markets. The company's data advantage is a powerful moat. Decades of user interactions, search queries, and digital footprints give Alphabet insights that no other company can match. Alphabet's ecosystem keeps users coming back. Whether it's storing memories in Photos, collaborating in Drive, or managing email in Gmail, these tools become indispensable. Their financial strength allows them to weather any storm. Alphabet has survived tech bubbles, economic downturns, and fierce competition, emerging stronger each time. Alphabet's culture of innovation drives long-term success. The company encourages experimentation, rewards bold ideas, and attracts top talent from around the world. The company's products are essential to daily life. For billions, Google is the default choice for search, email, navigation, and entertainment. Alphabet's reach and influence are unmatched. Its services span the globe, connecting people, businesses, and ideas in ways that were unimaginable just a generation ago. Their ability to execute on big ideas is proven. From launching new products to scaling global platforms, Alphabet consistently delivers results that shape the future of technology. Alphabet's future is bright, with opportunities in every direction. As technology evolves, Alphabet is positioned to lead in AI, cloud, autonomous vehicles, and beyond. For investors, Alphabet offers stability, growth, and innovation. It's a rare blend that makes it a compelling choice for any portfolio. It's a stock that belongs in any modern portfolio. Whether you're seeking long-term growth or a hedge against disruption, Alphabet delivers. Alphabet is the unseen giant dominating your digital life. Its influence is everywhere, yet often goes unnoticed, powering the tools and platforms you rely on every day. Their story is one of relentless innovation and market leadership. Alphabet's journey is a testament to the power of vision, execution, and adaptability in the fast-changing world of technology. For the long-term investor, Alphabet is a cornerstone holding. It's a company that not only adapts to change, but drives it, shaping the future for generations to come. This is growth with resilience, exactly what you want for the future. With Alphabet, you're not just investing in a company, you're investing in the infrastructure of the digital age. So there you have it, Nvidia and Alphabet, two powerhouses actively building the future. They're essential building blocks for a modern growth portfolio, offering both stability and explosive potential. If you're enjoying these stock tips and you're ready to level up your investing skills, I've got something game-changing for you. I've just relaunched my Value Stocks Investing Master Course, designed to teach you the exact principles used by investing legends like Warren Buffett and Benjamin Graham. But this isn't just theory. You'll learn how to spot undervalued companies using real-world metrics, build a high-quality portfolio, and protect your investments no matter what the market throws at you. Whether you're just starting out or want to sharpen your strategy, this course gives you the tools and confidence to grow real, long-term wealth. It's packed with step-by-step lessons, powerful insights, and practical strategies you won't find anywhere else. So if you're serious about investing smarter and building a future you're proud of, click the link in the description and pinned comment to join today. Trust me, your future self will thank you. If you want exclusive stock tips, in-depth analysis, real-time trade alerts, and free investing guides, join the Stocks Galore Patreon today and take your investing game to the next level. Our members there get full in-depth analysis on most of these stocks I mention here. Head over to patreon.com/stocksgalore and become part of our growing community of smart investors. Link is in the description. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. Remember, always do your own research, think long-term, and invest in high-quality companies shaping tomorrow. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.